Selecting the right truck for your business is more than just about budget. It's about finding the perfect fit for your needs. With countless options available, it can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we'll take a look at the ultimate truck comparison guide. Let's start with materials. The truck's body material impacts performance, durability, and efficiency. Options like lightweight aluminum enhance fuel economy, while galvanized steel provides superior corrosion resistance. Each material has its pros and cons, so choosing the right one is key. Pricing is another crucial factor. It varies based on chassis type, materials, and technology. While a higher upfront cost may seem daunting, investing in a high-quality specialized truck can lead to long-term savings in maintenance and fuel efficiency. Speaking of maintenance, regular servicing keeps your fleet running smoothly. Trucks built with premium materials require fewer repairs, reducing long-term costs. It's also essential to consider spare parts availability. Having easy access means less downtime and more productivity. And let's talk speed. Fast delivery times can be a game changer. Waiting months for a truck can slow down your business. But at STG Global, we deliver within just 3 to 6 weeks, ensuring you stay on schedule. Warranty coverage is another must-have. A solid warranty protects your investment and gives you peace of mind, minimizing unexpected costs. And with STG's strategically located workshops, servicing your truck is always convenient. Lastly, for those who need a hassle-free solution, Turnkey truck packages are the way to go. Fully assembled, customized, and ready to use, saving you time and effort. Choosing the right truck is about making a smart investment. At STG Global, we offer high-quality, reliable solutions to keep your business moving forward. Ready to make the best decision? Download our comprehensive guide today.